Hi and welcome back to this new video tutorial of Shopware 6. In today's video tutorial, what we'll be doing is we'll be checking out Shopware 6 WhatsApp live chat module. Now this particular module allows the admin of the Shopware 6 to add a live chat support option using WhatsApp for his Shopware 6 website. So whenever the customers or users are coming to your website there, they'll be able to see a WhatsApp live chat icon on the website there. Tapping on that would bring up the complete list of the agents that are available right now, and basically the users or the customers would be able to see the availability time of each of the agents there and the departments for each of the assigned agents there within the WhatsApp live chat window itself. Now kindly note that this feature works for the web browsers on the desktops and laptops as well as for the mobile browsers there. So in the case of web browser, if you're accessing the website through the web browser of a laptop or a desktop, then in that case what will happen is that whenever a customer taps on a particular agent name there, they'll be redirected to the WhatsApp web itself, and on that page they'll see a QR code. Now the customer or the user needs to scan that particular QR code using his mobile device WhatsApp application, and they'll be logged into the WhatsApp web online there itself, and thereafter they'll be able to start the chat with the particular agent itself for the queries that they want to ask with that particular agent there. And similarly, in the case of mobile devices, if you're accessing the particular website on a mobile browser, then you'll also be able to see the WhatsApp live chat icon on the website there, and after tapping that up, you'll see the complete list of agents there, and whenever you are tapping on a particular agent there, you'll be redirected to the WhatsApp application on your mobile device, and that particular agent WhatsApp window would be opened up, and then you need to enter the details there or the queries that you want to ask to that particular agent itself. So in today's video tutorial, what we'll be doing is we'll be checking the initial configuration settings for the Shopware 6 WhatsApp live chat module. Apart from that, we'll be seeing how we'll be able to create the teams at the backend there, how we'll be able to create the agents, and how we'll be able to assign the agents to the teams there. And when we are creating the agents, we will be able to add the agent WhatsApp number as well in the configuration settings there. So in today's demonstration, what we'll be doing is we'll be making use of the laptop web browser to access the website, and we'll demonstrate you how using the WhatsApp web would the customers or users be able to make a live chat using the WhatsApp there with the agents of the store itself. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's hop onto the Shopware backend first, and let's see the initial configuration settings and the rest of the workflow as well. So right now you can see that I'm at the Shopware 6 backend panel right now. So in a while from now, we'll be logging into the admin backend panel to check the initial configuration settings, how to set up the teams, how to set up the agents, and the rest of the workflow there in the admin backend panel for the respective plugin itself. But before that, let me take you to the Shopware front end and let me show you how the WhatsApp live chat window would appear to the customers or the users on your website there. So for that, let's hop on to the front end now. So here you can see on the bottom right hand side, we have set up the layout to display this on the bottom right hand side. So that's why the WhatsApp chat icon is visible on the bottom right hand corner here. And if I tap on that, you can see that we have the title here that we have set up. So this is just a demo title that we have set up. You can set it up as per your locales there. So here you can see that I've set it as WhatsApp chatbot support. And if I show you here, we also have a short description for the same. Have a nice day. If any query, please ask to your support team there. Apart from that, you can see the complete list of agents right now, like Serena Doe, Smith, Peter Doe, Jack Smith, and you can see each of the teams that they are belonging to, like the development support team, network support team, and the BDE team. Now here you can see for Peter Doe, we have the timings as well, the availability of the timings there from 9:38 a.m. in the morning to 4:13 p.m. in the evening there as well. Now whenever a user or a customer comes down to your website there, he'll be able to see this WhatsApp chat icon. Tapping on that would bring up this particular complete list of the agents. and according to the availability timings here, they can tap on any one of the agents there, and tapping on the agent would open up the, for example, if I tap here on the Peter Doe, we'll see that we'll be redirected to the WhatsApp web there for logging in there. So you can see that the particular WhatsApp web section has opened up, and we can use the WhatsApp on our computer or the basically the laptop web browser there. So what we need to do is we just need to scan this particular QR code using our mobile device. So we'll open the WhatsApp on our mobile device, and we'll go to the linked devices section by tapping on the 3 vertical dots on the top right hand corner. Tap on the linked devices, a QR code scanner would open up, and using that we have to scan this particular QR code that you can see, and then we'll be logged into the WhatsApp web there as per the requirement there, and then we'll be directly able to chat with that particular respective agent itself. Now let me close this window out, and now this was the particular section that I showed you at the storefront, and how the WhatsApp live chat icon appears to the users or the customers on your Shopware 6 web store front end, and how they'll be able to see the complete list of agents there, how they can tap on any one of the agents, and tapping on that they'll be redirected to the WhatsApp web there, wherein they have to make use of their mobile phone to scan the QR code so that they are logged into the WhatsApp web online there on the web browser itself, and then they'll be able to start chatting with the agent there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let's first see the configuration settings for this particular plugin itself, and thereafter we'll come down back to the front end and I'll demonstrate the live chat there, how it appears there to the customers or the users itself. So for that, let's hop onto the backend first. So I'll go to the Shopware 6 backend panel, and I'll be entering the username password, and I'll be tapping here on the login button thereafter. And after we have successfully logged into the admin backend panel, the very first thing that you need to do is, after you have successfully purchased this particular plugin, you will get a zip file. That zip file needs to be uploaded there in your Shopware 6 backend. So for that, what you need to do is, from the side panel, you need to go to extensions and my extensions, and here you'll find the upload extension button. You have to tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll have to upload the particular zip file, and then you have to install the WhatsApp live chat plugin there. Now here you can see that we have already installed it. That's the WhatsApp chat, and we already enabled it. If you want to uninstall it, you can uninstall it from your Shopware 6 backend as well. Now after you're done with the plugin installation there, then what you need to do is you need to navigate to settings. Under settings, you need to go to extensions, and here you'll find 3 different options. The very first option that you'll find here is the WhatsApp chat configuration. Then we have the WhatsApp chat team, wherein you will be able to create the teams, and the WhatsApp chat support team member, wherein you'll be able to create the team members as per your own requirement. So the very first option, that's the WhatsApp chat configuration. Let's check what different options are there within the same. For that, we have the WhatsApp chat configuration section, and here we have the general settings. Then we have the layout settings, as you can see. So the very first option that we have here is the sales channel. So here you'll be able to choose the sales channel as per your own requirement there, and accordingly you can set up the respective heading title and the description for the WhatsApp chat window. So here you can see that we have set it as WhatsApp chatbot support, and the same is visible here, WhatsApp chatbot support. If I take you back, then we have the description as have a nice day. If any query, please ask to the support team. If I scroll up, you can see have a nice day. If any query, please ask to the support team. So you can set this up from this particular section. Then we have the layout, and here you can choose between the right top, right bottom, right middle, left top, left bottom, left middle, and right now we have set it to right bottom. So that's why the WhatsApp chat icon is visible on the bottom right hand corner there to the users of the Shopware 6 website there. Then you can set up the button color as per your own requirement. The pop-up background color can be set up. The header background color can be set up. The text color within the same can be set up. And then we have the show options. So here you can enable to display the team name and the time for the agent's availability. So the team name and the availability time of the agents can be enabled as well, so that it is visible to the users of your website there. So this was the initial configuration settings, and after you're done here, you can tap here on the save button. Now let's go back to the settings and then extensions. Then comes the WhatsApp chat support team. Let's tap on that. So here you can see that we've already created the design team, BDE team, testing, development, and the network support team as just for the demonstration purposes. To add a team, you can tap here on the add team. You have to give them the team name. So let me give it as the test team. For example, let's make it as active and let's save it up. So you can see that the team was saved successfully. Let's go back to settings, then extensions, WhatsApp chat support team. And here you'll find the test team being listed as you can see here. If you want, you can delete it as well by choosing the delete option there. Now, after creating the team, what we do is we'll go to the WhatsApp chat support team member. So here we'll be creating the agent basically, and we'll be setting up their WhatsApp contact number as well. To add the member, you will have to tap here on the add member button. After tapping on that, you have to give the member name. For example, let's set it as Jack Smith, and from the drop down we can choose between the teams that we have created. So for example, let's give it the test team name. Then we'll choose the country code for the agent. For now I'll just choose it as India, and then we have to give the agent's telephone number. So I'm having the agent's telephone number here, so let me copy and paste that up here, and then we have to enter the message. So this message that you're entering here would be available to send to the agent there by the user there. So whenever a user is using the WhatsApp chat live chat there and they are connected to a particular agent there, the first already entered message that will be visible to the users there, that is this particular message that you're going to enter here. So for example, here I'm entering, hello agent, I need assistance. Then we can set up the time starting from, so we can set it as, for example, from 10 a.m. 10:24 a.m. to for example 23:24 hours in the evening. We'll set this sort order for this agent there. We can upload an image. So for example, let me upload an image here for the test purposes, and then we'll make this agent as active, and then we'll be tapping here on the save button there. So we are done creating the teams, configuring the plugin in the first place, and creating the agent there. Now let's hop on to the front end there. Let me close this WhatsApp icon there, and let me refresh this particular window. Now if I tap here on the WhatsApp icon, you can see that we are having the title of the WhatsApp live chat support, the description there, and here you can see that Jack Smith is of the test team member, and he's available between 10:24 hours to 23:24 hours in the evening, and the profile image is also visible. Now if you want to chat with this particular agent, have a live chat with this particular agent using the WhatsApp there, so we'll just need to tap here on the name of the agent, and you can see that the WhatsApp web is loading up. Now what I need to do is, now I'll be using my mobile device to scan this particular QR code that you right now seeing on your screens. So I'll just tap on the three vertical lines on the top right hand corner on my Android device within the WhatsApp application, and then I'll go to the linked devices. I'll tap on link a device, and then I'll be basically be able to see the QR code scanner. I'll scan this particular QR code, and now I'll be logged into the WhatsApp web. As you can see right now, it's showing loading your chats, and we'll be able to directly now chat with a particular agent there. So this will just take a bit of time there, depending upon the speed of your internet there. My internet speed is a bit low right now, so you can see starting chat, and here you can see that Jack Design Daniel is the agent, and the pre-edit text is also visible here. As you can see, hello agent, I need assistance. So I can send this particular message to the agent there. You can see that the hello agent, I need assistance has been sent out to the agent. Now you can see that the agent is typing back as per the requirement there, and he'll be saying, as he said, that how may I help you. So let's ask him, I need assistance with your products, can you help? And let's wait for the message to be delivered. The message has been delivered, and you can see that the agent is typing back using his WhatsApp number there. And on the left hand side as well, you can see Jack Design Daniel, and he's saying that sure, we can help with it. So yes, that was much about this particular plugin. That's the Shopware 6 WhatsApp live chat plugin, and I hope that this particular demonstration of using this particular functionality on the laptop or the desktop web browser helped you out in understanding the same. As I've already mentioned you can make use of this functionality on your mobile devices as well. So if you're accessing the Shopware 6 website on your mobile browser there, on your Android or on your iOS devices, then whenever you are checking out that particular, tapping on that particular WhatsApp icon, the complete list of agents would be displayed. You just need to select a particular agent, and then you'll be automatically redirected to the WhatsApp application on your mobile device there, and that particular window for the agent would be there, and then you can directly start chatting with the respective agent for any of the queries that you are having there. So I think that this particular video helped you out in understanding the complete workflow there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.